here we have noun instead of the adjective, and the sentence yet makes sense. Example 3, children often become bored at meetings. This is again adjectives, and become is connecting with the bored, so it's followed by the adjective. Another example, children became class president after a long hard campaign. So the word became is followed by this noun phrase, which is class president. So the linking verb can be followed either by adjective, the three of them, be, become, and they can be followed either by adjective. Another example, Sally will be happy when she hears the good news. So the word be linking verb is followed by adjective here, and the same be can be followed by noun phrase, which is like Ted will be prompting this near. So the word prompting is a noun phrase which is following by the linking verb be. We spoke about the three linking verbs, be, become, and remain. Now we'll talk about the four other linking verbs, which are feel, look, smell, and taste. Four of them, they may also be a transitive verbs and take a direct object. ये the transitive verb के भी तौर पे सर्व कर सकते हैं, और they can take a direct object as well. So when they function in this way, they become active and are modified by the adverbs. अगर they are taking a direct object and serving as the transitive verbs, तो ऐसे में they can be modified by the adverbs. Again, remember, if the four of these linking verbs like feel, look, smell, and taste, if they are acting in a transitive verb, means ये directly direct object को ले रहे हैं, तो in that case they can be that makes them active. As a result, they will be modified by the adverbs. Notice the following pairs of sentences, which will come in the next slide. Those verbs which take objects, they are active. If they take object, they will be active, and those which do not, they will be linking, and they will be followed only by adjectives. But those who take objects, they are active, and they can be modified by the adverbs.